In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to receive USDT in TRC20 on your Binance from another wallet. So first, you need to open your Binance application and make sure that your account is verified for you to follow these steps. But in this case, my account is not verified, but you can follow these steps. It has the same steps if you are verified already. So first, you need to click on the Assets section located at the bottom right corner of your screen and simply click the Add Funds button. And once you click in under the I have crypto assets, click on the Deposit Crypto and use the search bar for you to able to search for your USDT. And once you see the USDT, just simply click in and you can now choose a network, whether it is on the TRON, BNB, or Polygon, Ethereum. But in our case, we need to receive a USDT in TRC20, which is the TRON, on our Binance. So after you click the TRON, it will generate a wallet address and a QR code as well. You have to copy it and paste it on another exchange so that you could receive a USDT with the TRON or TRC20 network. So that's how you receive USDT TRC20 on Binance from another wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.